Why are 3 stumps used in cricket? In the sport of cricket, 3 stumps are used as a fundamental part of the wicket. The wicket is a set of wooden stumps and bails that serve as a target for the bowler, the player delivering the ball, to dismiss the batsman, the player attempting to score runs. The use of 3 stumps in cricket is a traditional and standardized practice with several important reasons. The practice of using 3 stumps in cricket dates back to the early development of the game, which took place in England during the 18th century. Over time, it became standardized as an integral part of the game. 3 stumps, along with the 2 bails that rest on top of them, provide a sufficiently challenging target for bowlers to aim at. The objective of the bowler is to dislodge the bails by hitting the stumps with the cricket ball. This requires accuracy, skill, and strategy. 3 stumps strike a balance between making it difficult for the bowler to dismiss the batsman while still allowing the batsman to defend their wicket. The inclusion of more stumps would make it excessively challenging for the batsman, while fewer stumps would make it too easy for the batsman to protect their wicket. Cricket is a sport steeped in tradition, and the use of 3 stumps is part of this tradition. It ensures consistency and uniformity in the game, making it easier for players, officials, and fans to understand and enjoy the sport. The use of 3 stumps, along with other standardized rules and equipment, is essential for fair and consistent gameplay. It ensures that all cricket matches, whether at the amateur or professional level, follow the same basic rules and dimensions. The combination of 3 stumps and 2 bails is an iconic and essential element of cricket, and the wicket's integrity is central to the game's fundamental objective, the contest between the bowler and the batsman. The use of 3 stumps continues to be a defining feature of the sport and is deeply ingrained in cricket's history and culture. Thank you for watching. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.